Alrighty, YouTube. I'm making a YouTube video of this Frigidaire Professional series. None of the buttons work except maybe China Crystal and normal wash. But everything else, it works. I mean, I didn't even hit cycle start. I hit 2 times on the crystal wash and then try to hit cycle start. It doesn't work. Thought I'd make a quick YouTube about this dishwasher that we're having issues, and I took it all apart, put it back together, randomly starts washing. But you can see that clearly in the camera. It starts washing. Making a short video. I haven't solved the problem. Let's see if it's still washing. Yep, it's washing. And it's not the door switch. Everybody kept telling me it's a door switch. You can hear that. It's even draining. So that tells me it works. And that's the only button that freaking worked, which was this China wash or China Crystal button. Other than that, seems like it's working. I don't know what's the problem. If somebody can tell me, that'd be greatly appreciated.